This is an awesome website where you can chat, roleplay, as I should say. There. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't even have any bells. But, what I was trying to say is, find Maze Mountain, you can post a graphic shop. Sorry, I'm just checking my posts. You can also add video, pictures.
RV, covered. Photo paper, hotel. I never do. Motorcycle, check. ATV. I read those. Do you?
What you know about this pizza, boy?
Yes, I'm just saying. Anyways.
The more you bundle, the more you save. Now that's progressive.
This is how it works. Alrighty then. I'm going on my other account, backup account, just in case somebody's stupid enough to hack me. Smoke it. Yes, I love Blue Cow Kitty, so that's my username. It's not me.
Animal Control is on the lookout for this lion. This is Alex, one of Europe's most wanted, distinguishing features, glossy mane, really, and a very sassy mouth. Special
Don't ask.
impersonating a chandelier. Making the survey a smash success. Well, that was worth the price of admission. You can find this story coming in DreamWorks Madagascar 3, Europe's most wanted in theaters. Ready, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, this is my thing. It's called Dub Kidding. Read it.
It's the perfect combination of peanut butter and chocolate flakes. Reese's Puffs City, Butterball Sweet Breakfast. Enter the online world of Monkey Quest. Create your warrior. And choose your weapon. Then battle deadly creatures to earn awesome prizes and advance to levels of unbelievable.
Google Play, I usually use it.
More than just an online game. It's Monkey Quest. Play for free
No.
today at monkeyquest.com and get it all new for a native film for a limited time only. Rated E for everyone. Skechers, a hero from the future is needed. Introducing Megaplex 2 from Skechers. Cutting edge design. Brain to react to every step you take. The future is now. Megaplex new from Skechers. Kellogg's Gray. A new breed of chocolate cereal.
Yeah. So just make an account and friend me on Blizzard Claw 221 or Blue Cow Kitty. Thank you. Bye.